After the recent fight between Kapil Sharma, Chandan Prabhakar and Sunil Grover, there is a disturbing fact that has come to light. The real reason behind Kapil's apology has been revealed.
First, Kapil ridicules and abuses Sunil Grover and Chandan Prabhakar, his colleagues from the Kapil Sharma show. Then Kapil apologizes to Sunil Grover on Twitter. Sunil gives a befitting reply to Kapil. Mr. Sharma then answers back saying he loves Sunil and will see him at his house in the evening. And now another layer of drama has been added to the list. The reason for Kapil's apology to Sunil Grover is as shallow as his Twitter replies to Sunil's sentiments. Buzz is that Kapil Sharma was driven by Sony TV, the channel which airs the Kapil Sharma show, to apologize to Sunil and get him back on the set. Last evening, prior to the shoot with Taapsee Pannu and Manoj Bajpayee, Sony's business head along with another top official from the channel met Kapil Sharma on the sets of his show. Their closed-door meeting went on for long. We hear the agenda of the meeting was to convince Kapil to apologize to Sunil and bring him back to the show. Although Sunil has officially not quit the show till now, but his post clearly indicates he has no plans of working with Kapil again. As soon as the meeting got over, Kapil started the shoot without his main characters, and by the night, an apology was reflecting on his Twitter timeline. From questioning the authenticity of the incident reported to now apologizing for the same, Mr. Sharma is conveniently molding himself. Another very important aspect which has been ignored in Kapil's apology to the entire team. To Chandan, who was made the butt of a joke backstage by Kapil during their Melbourne show. Take a look at this picture from yesterday's shoot with Taapsee and Manoj, which shows that only Kiku Sharda and Sumona Chakravarti were present for the shoot. Ali Asgar, Chandan and Sunil boycotted the shoot yesterday. It's quite evident that the entire team is miffed with Kapil's arrogance, but clearly Kapil has not felt the need to apologize to them. Is it because he's just acting upon what the channel is asking him to do without any will of his? As far as Sunil is concerned, Kapil might meet him in the evening, but getting him back to the show will not be easy. This time the damage is beyond words, Kapil. You will have to move mountains to put up a show with your full team again.